You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this delicious dish from Brazil, the Portuguese or Brazilian Portuguese way, correctly. If you want to learn more food names or Brazilian vocab, stay tuned. Brazilian pronunciation is as moqueca, moqueca, and yes, the QU is pronounced like a K, and then the C is also pronounced like a K. Okay, so it's not moquesa, moqueca, no, moqueca. In English, therefore, it's pronounced similarly, moqueca. Some may say it as moqueca. Well, it's moqueca. How to pronounce moqueca, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.